Welcome to Lazy Hustler, weird stuff you don't need, but will still buy. I bought this coffee grinder thinking, maybe it'll make my mornings suck less. Now, I'm emotionally attached. It grinds like it knows what I've been through. Setting 15, perfection. Not dust, not gravel, just pure French press sorcery. The bean hopper, UV tinted, keeps my beans fresh like they just got Botox. The grounds container, seals tight, pours smooth, no mess, no drama. Noise level, less than your toddler, more than your ex texting at 2 a.m. I went from caffeine goblin to French press philosopher. And yes, I've named the grinder. His name is Brad. Brad understands me. Like this, hit like. Want more weird but amazing gadgets? Smash subscribe. Then tap the link. Make your mornings better. Make Brad proud. Work smart. Hustle lazy.